Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, I'm so sorry that I'm looking so rugged, but I'm trying to set up my website and I'm using Shopify. It has been a huge struggle. I'm not even kidding you guys. I've had it up to here. I had to call their support, and I think she was able to clarify some of the concerns that I had, because I'm currently on the 90 days trial, and hopefully if the 3 months works out fine, I might extend, but if not, I might just end it there. But for my launch, I actually want to have a website, and it's free, so why not just use it? However, before I can do like any major thing, like in terms of testing out if the checkout is working, if my shipping rates are also working, I have to input my card detail. And of course I can't use my Nigerian card, so my fiance gave me his card. I'm just waiting for him to come back so I can ask him a couple more questions. Yeah, it's free, and I'm trying to just set up, and I've been setting up since 2 days back, and trust me, it has been super frustrating. I've watched thousands of videos. Some videos were helpful. I'm gonna leave links to them, the ones that were helpful, down below, so you can watch them if you're in the same situation as I am. But yeah, so right now I think I'm in a good place right now. I've succeeded in, let me show you. So I want to show you guys what my store looks like. I'm using this theme called Broccoli, and of course I'm going to change the image like once everything is good. Oh, but let me just show you what the actual site looks like. Where is it? Come on, it's not there. So tap here. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. I really like it. I just like that it's just the huge image that you'd see when you land on my website. So this is the logo here, black. I was contemplating using this or the white version, but this stands out a lot better. I might change it later to white, but depending on the image that I'm going to put here, we'll find out. And of course we have the name, welcome to Me Beauty Pro Cosmetics, then shop now, and then a little description about the website to our newsletter, and that's basically that. Then there's also menus. In case you don't want to look at that, you can also look at the what we have here, and then of course hair, and yeah, so there's nothing here because I haven't put anything there yet. So yeah, I'm gonna just finish up. I was watching a video that I thought was helpful, but I'll just finish up and then let you guys know how it goes. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the card details and see, because I literally can't do much without. So it's about to get confirmed, and hopefully we can. Babe, so this stuff is saying basic Shopify plan 29 plus tax every 30 days. You'll be charged 29 plus tax on August 3rd, 2020 when your trial ends. Blah blah blah. Build now 0.00. That's fine, but because it's asking me to start plan.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so I just clicked start. If I can actually do more things. What was it actually? Okay, so let me test the checkout and see if it works now. So it's refreshing. Okay, so it's this small. Let me see center. How does it look?
From here, click Payment Providers to go back to the previous page. Here, you see a banner confirming that Shopify Payments is running on test mode. Now it's time to create some test orders. Click the eye icon next to Online Store to open the store's landing page in a new browser.
So, unfortunately, what I was saying was not recording. I'm going to take a break because I haven't slept well since yesterday because of this website thingy. Right now, we've paid for we've put in our credit card details, so they're not going to charge us until 3 months after, which is in August. So hopefully I remember to take that out. I'm still working on it. I think right now I'm in a good place. I just need to finesse it and make it look a lot more better. In the meantime, I got some package arrived. My replaced tripod came, and this is the Matron one. I highly recommend this. If you're interested in getting this, check the description box. I'm going to leave a link to that. This tripod is really strong. When I tell you really strong, the first one they sent was bad, so it's still here, but we've gotten the return label, I think, and we're supposed to return that. But in the meantime, they sent a replacement, and I also got this free spray. It was actually very affordable. Like, this is so different. Like, have I been using the fake one? Let me see. Because they both smell different. And then the labeling. So this has blasting free spray, screaming hold for hair, and it's a dark purple. And this one, the text is in black. It's black rather. Are you sure this is not the fake one, Sha? It can't be fake. It has this thing on it. Leave it for it to get tacky. But yeah, I got this, and this was the one I was using before. It's almost finished, so I was like, why not just get a replacement? I can't feel this one glowing. Actually, you've not entered one chance like this. Okay, guys. Yeah. Oh, I can see it now. Yeah. Okay, but I don't know, comparing it with the small one, it just felt different. So I'll see you guys later in the afternoon. I'm going to go and take a nap and rest because my head is pounding, like literally boom. So I need to take a break at this point. I'll see you guys later. Guys, creating a website is no jokes. It's not easy at all. I have been on this website thingy since yesterday, and I'm just making headway now, because not really headway, because I'm like, I'm tired. This side of my head is really banging. I'm really tired. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna link all the videos that I watched that I thought were very helpful, that answered like most of my questions. I'll leave them in the description box, so if you're in the same dilemma as I am, you can just watch the videos and understand better, because I personally cannot explain how I did it, because it was just too many. It was not straightforward. Do you understand? I even had to call the Shopify support this thing for more clarification, which I got before inputting card details. So yeah, you should definitely do that. If you have any questions, and if you've checked online, there are no answers. Even if there are answers, if those questions are really important and involves like spending money, call the guys that work there. Like, it takes you nothing. So call them. The process to calling them too was a bit, it wasn't straightforward as well. You had to get a pin online and impute it when you're calling. If not, you're going to be on the call on the waiting this thing for 24 hours, which is ridiculous. So that's a tip. Go to help. I think I wrote it down. Pin.shopify.com. Get a pin there with your Shopify store and call the number. So when you call the number, it's going to ask you to impute your pin, or just wait for your for when it's your turn. So yeah, that's that. I just came back here to close the video because tired. But I want to film my 5-minute makeup challenge and put it on what is it called, on Instagram, and maybe how to install a frontal with Ghost Bond. I think it will be really interesting. I've been wanting to do it. All the ones that I've been trying, like I've been low-key doing it BTS, but I've not been getting it. Like, I wanted to say gotten it. I've not been getting it. Like, it keeps lifting. I don't know if I'm doing it, because all the ladies that use it online, once they just put it like that, it sticks, but my own has refused to stick. I don't understand. So I'm going to try it again, do that as a video, and then also do a 5 minutes makeup challenge I'm really excited about the 5 minutes makeup challenge because the 10 minutes one I did was really interesting. If you haven't seen it, click the card up here to go watch it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. I'll be keeping you guys updated on the day-to-day planning of this whole thing, and hopefully it goes well. Also, my next video on this series would be me planning, like brainstorming for marketing ideas, and I'll be doing that with Babe. So when he's back, we're still going to talk more. I have like rough sketches on my notepad, but I also just want to talk about it as well. So just in case you're thinking of a marketing plan for your brand, if you're just launching, maybe some of the ideas that we'll be sharing during the brainstorming session would help you. So yeah, stick to this channel, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed, so you don't miss out on content that I have to share with you. Bye guys.